Okay, so here we see to the left a code that is in Java. This comes from a code that I shared with Van in Python that I used several years ago to change the settings. There are some updates that has been done, so we are able to talk with a new version of web control. So we are going to show how we can pull data, and then we are going to show how we can write over the setting in web control. So Van, could you please highlight with your cursor what we are trying to read, the occupy minimum? Yes, so we are in building 70, VAB 30001, and we are want to read first that setting that is occupying minimum. So first, to find the path, we use something that is called the manual command. We type where am I, and that gives us the path of the VAB. We copy part of the full path, and we added that to the string. That's to find the VAB location. But to find the cell point value, we go to web control again, and we look for global modify. Do we right click, global modify, and then we copy what is called expression, and we add it to our string path to be able to put the data. So what Van is going to do first, he's going to read that value, and in the lower screen, on the left screen, yes, that should be put. No, it was from a previous test, but now please run the test. It should read 490 as a current airflow value. So with that, we show that the Java code is able to put that flow setting given the string path that we provide. Okay, so now what we're going to do is to change that value. We're going to change from 490 CFM. We're going to change occupy minimum airflow for 490 CFM to 500 CFM. So now what Van is doing is just adding the line of code that we need to change that path. Okay, Van, so please run it. And you're going to see web control. Van, can you put your cursor on occupy minimum to the right, please? Yes, so you have seen that we have changed from where it was 490 to 500 CFM. So with this brief video, we just want to show you how we are able to change the settings in web control using that code that we have done. We have this in Python, but we have been also working in this function and other ones in Java. Okay, thank you, Van. And I will continue with the presentation with ideas. Thanks.